Hey, did you know Paper Chaser TO has its own crafting club? Monthly membership gives you full access to all of our crafting templates. For the price of one template a month, you'll be receiving 3 to 5 absolutely new templates every month, and that doesn't even include all the ones that we already have on our site. Start your free trial today. I know you'll love it. Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Chaser TO. Today we'll be learning how to make this nested card, or as I'd like to call it, cardception. Here are the materials you'll need. The card template, which is available at paperchaser.to, cardstock, scissors, a score tool, and some glue. So once you have your template printed and cut onto your desired cardstock, we're going to start with piece B and fold along all of the scored lines. Unfold piece B and insert piece A through the slit of piece B. Making sure that piece A is aligned with the sides of piece B, fold over the glue tabs and apply glue onto the tabs and along the bottom edge of piece B. Fold piece B closed. Make sure that your piece A isn't glued down weirdly anywhere by giving it the pull test. Now taking your newly glued assembly, we're going to insert that into the slit of piece C. Fold along the score lines of piece C. Apply glue along the tabs and the bottom edge of piece C, and then fold piece C closed. Then we're just going to repeat the same steps by taking the newly glued assembly, inserting it into the slit of piece D, folding it on the score lines, and applying glue onto the tabs and folding it closed. As you can see, this card is super easy and quick to make. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you do end up making this card, please leave a review for me on my website. There's an option for you to upload a picture of your card. I'd love to see what you've made. Don't forget to like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more crafting videos like this. And as always, happy crafting, and I'll see you next time. Bye!